Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Can't decide between a short pixie cut and a classic bob. Why not get the best of both? I'll show you in this video exploring the ultimate chic hairstyle, the pixie bob. Also known as a pixie, this cut combines the effortless short layers of a pixie at the back with the sleek face framing length of a bob in the front. It's perfect if you want a short haircut that still gives you plenty of volume and styling versatility. There are so many stunning ways to wear it. Go for a sleek, straight look for a sophisticated vibe, or add messy waves and a side fring for a playful romantic texture. You can even try an asymmetrical cut to add an edgy modern twist. The best part about a pixie bob is how easy it is to manage. It directly cuts down your daring time, and little bit of pomade of texture spray is all you need to look perfectly put together in less than 5 minutes. So, are you ready to give this chic transformation a try? Let me know in the comments and share with me your opinion, your ideas, your suggestion about short hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women, anything share with me. And as soon as possible I'll become latest and new trendy ideas for you, and must share with me your feedback, because feedback is very important for growing channel and I need very much. I hope you do it. So beautiful ladies and girls, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my video, your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.